What's up guys, and welcome back to Must Download Cydia Tweak. In this video I will show you a new and beautiful tweak. This tweak will give you the iOS 16 lock screen on old iPhones. If you love the iOS 16 lock screen but don't want to upgrade and lose your jailbreak, now with this tweak you can get it. As you see, you can customize the lock screen widget. You can also triple tap on the lock screen to customize the lock screen. You can change the clock and date fonts and color. You can also use custom fonts. You can also create more than one lock screen and change between them with ease. Now I will show you how to download and install the tweak. First, go to Cydia. Go to the sources here and add this source. After adding the source, open it. Now here you will find all Hyperx tweaks section. Just open it, scroll down and you will find Helix tweak. As you see, this is the tweak. As we all know, the Hyperx team closed their accounts and deleted their source without knowing the reason. That's why all their tweaks have been uploaded here. Now go ahead and install the tweak. Click modify, install, confirm. If you have any problem installing the tweak from Cydia, install it from Zebra Store. I had a problem when I installed it from Cydia, so I installed it from Zebra Store. Just go to Zebra Store, go to the sources here and add the source. After adding the source, open it, go to Hyperx tweaks, scroll down and install Helix tweak. After installing the tweak, go to the home screen and you should find Hyperx app. As you see, this is the app. Now open it to enable the tweak. This is the Hyperx app. Now click on Helix. Now just enable the tweak from here. By default you will find the tweak is disabled. Just enable it. After enabling the tweak, go to the home page in Hyperx app and click Respring to apply the changes. Now how does this tweak work? It's simple and easy. As you see, you can customize the widget directly from the lock screen without having to go to the settings. You can also customize the lock screen widget as you want and change the colors. You can create more than one lock screen easily, and this is the feature I like the most in this tweak. It's very simple. As you see, now I have 3 different lock screens. You can fully customize the lock screen by triple tap on the lock screen. As you see, you can change the time and date fonts, colors, and add more widgets. You can also customize the notifications and notifications look. You can change the wallpaper from the lock screen and more. Helix is a great tweak because not only does it support iOS 14, but it also supports old iPhones that have iOS 14 like iPhone 6s, 7, 8, and iPhone X. So no need to update to iOS 16 to get the new lock screen. It's just here with Helix tweak. Alright guys, if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Peace.